Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about best video or photo editor app. And in this video, I have this particular app right here, which is also known as InShot app. For everyone using Android phone, for you to get this particular app, I'm going to assist from here and then open up your Play Store right here. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and could go to search and then go ahead and make sure you come to search app and type in InShot just like so, hit enter. If you are using iPhone also, you can as well search for InShot. Having opened up the InShot, go ahead and click on here. So you can see as at the time of making this video, 500 million plus are using this particular free video editor and photo maker. So next thing you want to do is to make sure you download and install this particular app successful on your phone. After a successful installation, go ahead and click on open. So it's going to take you to this interface right here. This powerful video editing and photo editing app here allow you to edit your video and have different kind of effects. It allow you to edit your photo all for free. It allow you to create colleague all for free, and it is very simple to use app. If you want to edit your video, go ahead and click on video icon right here, and then it's going to open up into your gallery. Then you have a video section right here. You can easily upload whatever type of video you want and click on add, and then in a few seconds your video is going to be loaded right here. So once you have your video in the timeline right here, then you are good to go. You can click on the video. You can try as much as possible and do different things with the video. Split. You can click on the first one right here, click on delete, and then you can do different sort of things with your video and increase the you can select on the video and increase the video frame rate. Everything depends on what exactly you want to achieve. You can also add different kind of filters right here for free. Go ahead and click on filter. Then you have different preset. You have adjustment. You have different kind of adjustment. Add contrast as the case may be. Add one. You can just play around with different effects right here. Then it's going to be applied to your video right here. In the process of editing your video, if you made a mistake, just click on here. This particular means undo. Click on that icon. Then so it's that simple. Then you can click on here to you can add text to your video. These are different text templates right here. You can add closed caption to your video. So and it is all done for free. So you can select any of the templates you want right here. So you can see when I'm trying to select each of the templates you select is going to be added into the so you can do different lot of things as far as this particular video editing and photo editing app is concerned. You can see different lot of tools right here. Okay, this is for video editing section in this app. You can come to the top right here. When you are done with your editing, click on export. You can export your video in different resolution. Just have to click on here. When you click on here, you have different resolution. You can export 2K, you can export 4K as the case may be. Everything depends on you. You can also change on the frame rate. You can export 50 frame rate per seconds or 60 frame rate per seconds. You can export different file formats. Click on format right here. You can export GIF or MP4. If you want to export GIF, then select. So you can see this megabyte size here for exporting it as 4K and then drastically decide to turn down the export resolution, and you can see the file size here also. So once you are ready, go ahead and click on export and the video will successfully export. Then you can start playing your video without any stress. So let's go ahead and explore. So I'm going to go ahead and discard this particular video. Let's quickly go ahead and explore the photo editing section in this category. Go ahead and click on photo, then take it to your photo in your gallery right here. Then from here, you can select any photo choice. For instance, I'm going to select this particular photo. Then you have a lot of tools from the bottom right here that you can work with. You can enhance the HD, you can cut out the background, you can use a highlight, retouch, you can crop your image. You can do all different sort of things as far as this particular app is concerned. Once you are done with every editing you want to do, just go ahead and click on export right here, and your image is going to be export based on different kind of things you have added. You can add frame to your image. You can see different lot of different types of frame right here as the case may be. Everything depends on what exactly you really want. Just the radius of the things can be different. Not like any of the border here. Go ahead and click on here to cancel it. Then go ahead and click on mark. Then export your photo. Let's go back to the home tab. I'm going to discuss this. Then let's go back to the entire home tab. And the last tab right here is colleague. This allows you to create different kind of colleague right here. You have grid, you have freestyle, you have AI blend, you have stitch. Everything depends on the freestyle right here. You can select all as much as possible. So go ahead and click on accept, and it's going to be just like so. You have different kind of freestyle colleague, then you can also add different kind of effect from the bottom as the case may be. Once you are done with everything, go ahead and then make sure you click on export right here, and your image will be successfully exported. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use this particular InShot app to edit your photo or your video or for free, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.